Hello everyone. Today we are going to concern very interesting in French. Like in India, whether it is a girl or boy, we usually say Indian for both. But in France, words change according to the gender. That means there are different words for boys and girls. And with the help of this chart, we are going to learn the nationalities, les nationalités in French. So let's start. France. La France. La, that means France is feminine. England, L'Angleterre. L'Angleterre. China, La Chine. La Chine. Japan, Le Japon. Italy, L'Italy. L'Italy. India, Non. Non. United States, Les États-Unis. Les États-Unis. Germany, Lalomagne. Lalomagne. Now, let's learn the masculine and feminine form of different countries in French. La France, Français, Française, Français, Française. L'Angleterre, Anglais, Anglaise, Anglais, Anglaise. La Chine, La Chine, Chinois, Chinoise, Chinois, Chinoise. Et Japon, Japonais, 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 Japonais. L'Italie, Italian, 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 Italian. Don, Ondian, 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 Ondian. Les États-Unis, American, 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 American. L'Allemagne, Allemand, 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 Allemand. So that's it for today. I hope you like my video. Do share, like and subscribe my channel.